You were someone before this moment. That version of you, clumsy, over-explaining, desperate to be liked, must die quietly. Do not announce your evolution. Simply begin the erasure. Step-by-step breakdown. Stop sharing opinions in spaces that remember the old you. Leave messages unread. Become hard to pin down. Not rude, just unreachable. Shift your vocabulary subtly. Remove slang, filler words. Speak with precision. The past version of you starved for attention. The new one is never hungry. Silence is your rebranding. Your history lives where you don't. Old photos, familiar usernames, cringe interactions trapped in group chats. Delete what no longer serves the myth. You're not hiding, you're redefining the archive. Practical steps. Delete or archive old social posts. Create new bios that say less but imply more. Use different language and aesthetics across platforms. Control the tone of any new post. No nostalgia, no apology. The more inconsistent your digital trail becomes, the less anyone can follow. Someone will remember who you were. They will challenge you. They will say, "You've changed." You do not explain. You do not argue. You smile and let silence do the talking. Do not correct the narrative. Starve it. Once the old is gone, what replaces it must be intentional. You only speak where your presence builds weight. You don't post to be seen. You post to cast shadow. You become known not by chatter, but by consequence. When people speak of you, their voice must lower, not out of fear, but uncertainty. You're not rewriting history. You're burning it. And from the ashes, they'll build a monument to the ghost you've become.